We're installing the Lamspeed Racing 100 cell catted downpipe and midpipe on this Toyota GR Yaris. Here it is in the box, looking schmick, and let's get into it. Pull off the midpipe from here back.
Yes, yeah, we're going to do that first.
And a dump pipe, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So a bit more about the downpipe and midpipe. It's stainless steel, 304. It's got a flex pipe and CNC machine flanges with a V-band connection up to the factory turbo, and then a slip joint between the downpipe and midpipe with that high flow 100 cell cat. It's got that 4-inch downpipe off the turbo and the O2 sensor bungs in the OEM locations. It's a direct bolt on, and it's got that bracket where the dump pipe OEM already is, which is great.
How are we looking in there?
Looking pretty good.
Hey, no swearing on our channel.
Oh yeah, sorry.
That's a cat there.
Yeah.
What it will do is free up the restrictive factory downpipe, which will be great.
Now we need to get to the turbo.
I need to get to the O2 sensor, disconnect that. I might as well take off the intake now to give me access to the top of the turbo. Yeah?
Yep.
Take the nappy off.
Take the nappy off. That's from the turbo.
Yeah.
That's the turbo side. That's your cat in there, and that goes to your dump pipe. And that shroud is around the cat because it gets so hot. And there's another shroud around the transfer case as well. Now you have clear access to turbo, and there's your wastegate just in there. Lamspeed dump pipe.
And off to here.
Change over the oxygen sensor.
Yep.
A little bit tricky to line up. There's a tiny little dowel on the flange on the back of the turbo, and we've lined that up and just started to mount it. You need to tighten the
V-band.
V-band. Tightening the V-band around the
Dump pipe.
dump pipe housing. Back on top to try and tighten up that V-band. But we're going to take and replace this piping to the turbo anyway, so we'll take it off now for better access. Shroud's on.
Yes. Yeah. All that's on.
Do you want that gasket?
I don't know. I'm just looking to see how it's set up. Hang on. Let me have a
It's
look.
here.
No, where's the factory one? Oh, yeah.
Oh, factory one's there, yeah.
Oh yeah, now the other clamp is for here, by the way.
Because it's smaller.
The other V
Yeah.
clamps for there.
Yeah.
But see here, they should have poking through, right, a little bit.
Yeah.
And that should go over it, so you can use the original bloody thing.
13.
13 milli, yeah. All right, put it up there. So hold it up for me.
Yeah, got it in place.
Yeah, more centralised, but I'll tighten it up. Sort of jiggle it around so it sort of feels good. The heat shield's back in, that's tight, not hitting anything. There you go, exhaust done.